everyone, this is Craig Shallahamer from OraPub. Got an interesting webinar coming up for you. If you remember last time, the focus was on how to deal with idle wait events in our time-based analysis. Now we're going to continue on with the Statspack report, but let me tell you some more about what's going on. This whole situation is centered around a batch job that runs for around 150 minutes. Now, if we look closely at the application side of things and we find this batch job process, you'll notice it kind of pops up on top, burning CPU, goes down, comes back up, goes down, comes back up. And if you follow this closely, you can tell that it consumes around 100 minutes of CPU. Now let's switch to the database side. If we switch to the database side of things, there is no operating system bottleneck. And there's just a handful of active sessions. And each of these active sessions consume around 150 minutes of database time. And parallel query is not active. So here's the dilemma. If the total batch job is 150 minutes, and the foreground process CPU consumes 100 minutes, that gives us 50 minutes left, yet each Oracle foreground process consumes 150 minutes. So if we have 150 minutes, that doesn't match because 100 plus 150 does not equal 150, right? That is some fancy IT math. So we're going to dig into that in this webinar, and I'm going to show you my process, show you where to focus, why we need the focus there, and how this kind of all fits together. At least I hope that's what's going to happen. So join me for an interesting and very real webinar as we try and solve these crazy Oracle performance problems. Hope you can make it, and we'll see you then.